Where are we today, Nikki?
Paris.
Paris. Going to Paris. We're going to experience Blackpool Tower.
First time ever.
It's sunny. It's a bit cold.
A bit windy.
We should be able to see some good news at the top. Let's go. We're in the lobby of the Blackpool Tower. You can go up that way to go to the circus. Go that way there, through to the dungeons. Here we go. Let's have a look at the sign. This is what you got at the bottom. The ground floor. Level 3. 5, 6 and 7. We're in the bounciest lift. It's like Tower of Terror, isn't it? We are trying to get to level 5, but we keep getting...
Keeps turning this on.
So where are we again? We're back here again.
Oh, is this 5? It is 5.
We're here. Here we are. The Blackpool Tower Eye, as it's now called. It's, are you looking forward to it, Elliot? Going up the big tower? You're going to go on the glass floor? Silence. Trying to catch the Owie. Having a dance, Owie? Are you ready for some 3D action?
I didn't work.
We're going to watch a 3D film first, and then going up. Quite looking forward to, even though I am scared of heights, to step out on the glass floor.
I'll film it for you.
Some stats about the tower. Just been in a 3D cinema, and you come out to this, then go through here, hopefully, into the lift. Some fun facts. It took 7 years to paint Blackpool Tower. Some lights. Nice little retro poster here. Fun little Photoshop. Elliot's having a relax. There's Owie. Owie! Elliot, you've grown. Are you ready to go up?
Yeah.
Very brave, Elliot. Here we go, walking on the glass floor. Wow, this is fun. It's just glass. So you just feel a bit apprehensive on here. There we go, all the way down. Are you having a go on the glass floor? Okay, can't we? Do you like the glass floor, Elliot? Should we have a walk? Whoa, 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 whoa! Right to the end. So good views from here as well. It's quite sunny today. One of the piers on this side, and on this side there's another pier, and you've got the big one in the distance there. Let's go and have a look at that. There are information points as well. Tell you where you are. Always looking at the, what you call that, telescope. So as you can see, zoom in. One of the piers. You've got the furthest pier down there with the wild mouse on the end. And then you've got the big one. Exciting. It's very nice here in Blackpool today. So on this side you've got Blackpool Football Club over here. Football stadium. It slowly zooms in. There's the ground. Another view from the, I don't know what pier that is actually. I'll ask Alan, he'll know. Views of the rest of the coast of Blackpool. There's also stairs here to go further up, which we are going to do now. We've got a bit of a crawlathon as we go up the stairs. Go on over, you can do it. Up the twisty, twisty staircase. Nearly there. There we go. So here we are, as you go on the outside part of the tower. Going out the door. Obviously you've got all the cages. Oh, yeah, I don't know how I feel about this. This is a bit ropey. So now we're at 390 feet. You can still go further up. There is another set of stairs, which we'll have a look in a minute. But, this is the edge of the tower. Look right over. Oh. More windy outside views of the pier and Pleasure Beach over there. Very windy. I can't actually look up. Send you the camera up there, but I'm not looking up. So let's go up some more steps. We're going up the next one. Who's going to go first? Go on, you can make it. Up, up, up. So now we're going up to the needle part. Oh, he's made it. Here we go. Ah, we're now at 401 feet. And you can go further up. Oh my god. They were 401 feet. So now this is where we are, right at that point. He's now climbing up to the last part. Keep going, dude. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Nearly there. Nearly there. This is bringing back Warwick Castle memories for me. Climbing up the turrets. And we're here. So you can't go up that bit. It's all off. I don't think I'd want to go up there. Here we go. So here we are, 420 feet up. Elliot's made it up as well. Probably could go up there. That's what let it off. That's the highest point. My legs feel wobbly. No! No! You enjoyed it? Oh! Do you like it, Elliot? No.
Are you, Elliot?
Is it too high? You're 420 feet in the sky.
I don't know if that helps to tell.
It's a bit windy up here.
It's not too bad though, considering I was expecting it to be really horrible.
Yeah. I don't remember being able to come up this far last time. Many moons ago. But,
I've never been up here. I quite like it.
Yes, it's very good.
Oh dear.
I'm
I'm into not too sure.
Yeah. Then we're going to go and get some lunch now, but
Yeah.
quite proud that we've actually come up here because I thought I'd be like, ah. But I can't actually look up. I'm alright. If I just keep looking down, I can't look up.
Yeah.
So we're going to go down
We're
there
going to go down different steps now.
and get some lunch. Gift shop. Those replicas of the Blackpool Tower, the ballroom. £10 for a Blackpool Tower resin, £7 for a little silver one. Some pin badges, medals, trophies that Elliot likes to get. Some smaller Blackpool Tower ones here. Not sure how much they are. No price. Oh, you can buy a mini tram. That's pretty cool. It's £10. For the Blackpool, you've got some Dungeon merch over here. Blackpool Stadium cups, lanyards, cups, sweets. Hoodie over here, kids hoodies, £15. And big lollies, and then some plushes, some Blackpool teddy bears. Do you like the teddy, Stevie?
How small he is.
Aww. You go nice with your Wicker Man bear. And you've also got some Build-A-Bear stuff, which is called Teddy Mountain. They are teddy skins, £15, $9.99, and £20.
Should be ready.
Don't forget your annual pass discount as well.
Thank you very much.
So Elliot, did you like the tower?
Yes.
What did you like the most?
Because I could see everything on the top of the tower.
And you were very brave going on the glass, weren't you?
Yes.
And did you like going up the other steps to the top bit?
Yeah.
Did you want to?
Yeah.
You didn't, did you? So were you quite brave?
Yeah. And what have you had for being brave?
A tower.
The tower.
The tower like it.
Yes.
And it's brown. And I like it.
Did you enjoy the tower?
Yes, it was.
Did you enjoy the glass roof? floor?
I preferred the outside part to the glass bit because there was no rails and I always like a rail. And actually, it was a lot cleaner than I was expecting it to be, so it did look like there was nothing there.
Yeah.
Which I wasn't really expecting. I was expecting it to have a lot of marks so you could tell it was there. I did touch it to make sure.
So, well, shall we come back?
Yeah, definitely.
Did you enjoy it, Owie? No. Oh dear.
You did enjoy it?
Check out the gift shop. You've got Dino and Mini Golf. You go upstairs. Must be an indoor one. Let's go and have a quick look. Oh, this is pretty cool. Not sure if you have to pay for it. No, it was there. Bit of Dino and Mini Golf for you. So, trying to get the prices. There you go. £5 adults. So now we're going for lunch. The world famous Harry Ramsden's. had a world famous Harry Robinson's at Merry Hill.
I did.
Closed down.
I was quite sad. Did you ever actually eat there? But we did, didn't we? But only in that. Only in that thing, not in an actual restaurant.
Yeah, it wasn't very good. But we're going to try this one. So let's go to lunch. At the moment, Elliot is having a go at Lightning McQueen. Is that the real Lightning McQueen, Elliot? Solid silver model of the Blackpool Tower. Can't see it because of the light. Apparently it cost £120 to make this. See if we can get it from a different angle. Hello! You enjoyed your day in Blackpool?
Yeah, it's been nice.
Afternoon.
Yeah.
We've spent a couple of hours here. It's very windy here. We're on the front now.
It's not as windy as it normally is. This is not windy.
No. The sea's right here. We've taken Elliot down to the front to get splashed by the sea.
Screaming in delight.
Yes. So we've enjoyed our couple of hours here in Blackpool. I hope you enjoyed our little Blackpool Tower vlog. And we'll see you again soon.
Bye.
Bye.